Good morning, children. How are you all? You must be well acquainted with all the tenses we did yesterday. Today we are doing transformation of the tenses. Okay. First of all, we will take how to change the sentence into negative sentence. See, children, when sentences have different forms of verb, be. What is the different form of be is we put not, is, am, are, was, were. We put not often different forms of the verb. Okay, of be. See the example. He is strong. Only you're supposed to put not. He is not strong. She was at school. She was not at school. I am his friend. I am not his friend. These are all is, was, am. These are the forms of be. Only you are supposed to put not. Okay. Now see, in case of will be and shall be, we put not after will or shall. Okay. He will be present in the class. He will not be present in the class. Not like this, he will be not. This is wrong. He will not be present in the class. We shall go to the movie. We shall not go to the movie. Not like this, we shall go not to the movie. Does it look nice? No, no. Then we also use short form. Learn to write short forms. Okay. This is also called contractions. Okay. Is not, isn't. Was not, wasn't. Shall not, shan't. I am not, will not, won't. These are called short form. Only you are supposed to cut O and you are supposed to put comma in place of O. Okay. Now see, when sentences have different forms of verb have. Different forms of verb have are has, have, had. Then you are supposed to put no. We put no after different forms of the verb have, such as has and had. What are the different forms of have, has and had? Again, see the positive sentence. I have a pencil. I have no pencil. Then you are not supposed to write I have not pencil. Okay? I have no pencil. She has a pencil. She has no pencil. They had a pencil. They had no pencil. Okay? Now see, when the verb is in the simple present tense, we put do not or does not before the original form of the verb. Original form of the verb means first form of the verb. We put do not with plural and we put does not with singular. Okay? See, Ryan likes chocolates. This is positive sentence. How would you change? Ryan does not like chocolates. Does plus not plus original form of the verb. Original form of the verb is likes. Okay? Does not like. See other example. Look at another example. They like sweets. Here is they is plural. The plural ke saath you are writing they do not like sweet. They plus do plus not plus original form of the verb. Original means base form of the verb. First form of the verb is likes. Okay? Now when the verb in the simple past tense we put did not. Okay? Before the original form of the verb. Example, see the example. Maya knew the truth. Knew, what is the past form of know? Knew. This is positive sentence. How would you change it? Maya did not know the truth. Okay. Keep one thing in your mind. Whenever the verb is given in past tense, you are supposed to add did not plus first form of the verb. Okay. Maya did not know the truth. Did plus not plus original form of the verb is know. Then short form of the, earlier I have told you, short form of did not is didn't is often used. Okay. When the verb is in the present tense, we begin with the sentence do or does and use the original form of the verb. See the example again. Sonia likes ice cream. This is statement. Assertive sentence. Okay. Declarative sentence. You are supposed to change into interrogative also. Does Sonia like ice cream? You are supposed to change into interrogative. Does plus subject plus original form of the verb. Okay. They know my new address. This is statement. And how you change into interrogative? You are supposed to first keep in your mind. First of all, you change into negative. They do not new address. Then bring this do in front. Do they know my new address? Okay. Do plus subject plus original form of the verb no. Now interrogative is past tense. How to change in past tense? When the sentence is given in past tense, how would you change into interrogative sentence? When verb is simple past tense, we begin the sentence with the did and use the original form. Children, keep one thing in your mind. Original form is the first form of the verb. Okay. See the example. The man caught a fish. Caught is a verb and it is given in a past tense. And this is statement, assertive or declarative. Okay. Now how do you change it into interrogative? Did the man catch a fish? If in negative you have changed like this, na? The man did not catch a fish. Same way you are supposed to bring did in front. Did the man catch a fish? Okay. Now see more example. They invited him a party. Party is this is a statement. Verb is here invited. Okay. How do you change this? Did they invite? Keep one thing in your mind, children. When you are writing did, you are supposed to write first form of the verb. Did plus subject and plus original form of the verb. Okay. Now see more example. Use the sentences to frame question as explained earlier. I have explained earlier. How would you change it? She left her child in the car. Did she leave her child in the car? See the other example. The singer sang my favorite song. Did the singer sing my favorite? Here did के साथ you are writing sing. Okay. Now I hope you must have understood all the how to transformation, how to change into negative and how to interrogative. If you will not understand, open this video and see this. Okay. Thank you. Stay well, stay healthy, stay home. Okay. And one thing more, imperative sentences, we put do not in the beginning of the sentences to make the command negative. When it is given imperative sentences, you are supposed to write do not go to your room. Throw the paper anywhere. Do not throw this paper anywhere. Okay. Bye, bachche. Bye. Okay.